Hey guys, welcome to this for you. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Dairy Queen Reese's Pieces Cookie Dough Blizzard. Stay tuned. So I'm going to be trying this. It's one of their new summer blizzard flavors. Excuse me. Sorry guys, I just had dinner. The last one I tried was the gummy worm Oreo dirt pie gummy worm one. So we're gonna give this one a try here. It doesn't look that soft right now. I had Dairy Queen for lunch from Skip the Dishes a few hours ago. I just put it in the freezer. But the point is not how it looks, how it tastes, at least to me, right? Cheers. Right away, again, lots of peanut butter flavor and lots of Reese's Pieces and cookie dough. Definitely goes well together. It's really cold. My mouth's starting to hurt. Yeah, this is definitely worth it, guys. Definitely would encourage you guys to try it. One more bite, none. Go to my review here. You'll see that? That's a nice huge chunk. Here, I'll show you from this angle of cookie dough. If you don't like cookie dough, you're not gonna like this. That's what you might say. Who doesn't like cookie dough? I'm sure not everybody likes everything, right? Okay. So I'm gonna say this. The Reese's Pieces and the cookie dough and peanut butter definitely go really well together in this blizzard. You don't like peanut butter or Reese's Pieces, which also have peanut butter, or cookie dough, then this is not for you. It's not too sweet at all. Just a nice treat, you know what I mean? Just something nice to have on a summer day when you're craving a treat. Obviously not something you're gonna have every day, but just once in a while, right? When you're craving something, I would suggest to get the snack size. I just got the small size. So it's a little warm here today, so I was craving some ice cream. But normally I would get the smaller snack size. But anyhow, let me know in the comments if you try this or not. If you love Reese's or cookie dough, then this is right up your alley. But let me know if you would try it or not, or if you have a favorite summertime blizzard flavor from DQ, if you prefer something else. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye everybody.